Did you know your gut is home to over 100 trillion bacteria, outnumbering your cells 10 to 1? This hidden ecosystem, called your gut microbiome, controls everything from digestion and immunity to mood and even weight. But when this delicate balance is disrupted by poor diet, stress, or antibiotics, you might experience bloating, fatigue, food intolerances, and even skin issues. The solution? Probiotics and prebiotics. But here's the problem. Most people don't know the difference, or which one they really need. In this video, we'll break down the key differences between probiotics and prebiotics, scientific studies on what works, when to take probiotics and when to avoid them, why prebiotics are the unsung heroes of gut health, the best foods and supplements for a healthy gut. By the end, you'll know exactly how to fix your gut for good. Let's dive in. First, let's clear up the confusion. Probiotics equals the workers. These are live bacteria found in fermented foods and supplements. When you take them, they repopulate your gut with good bacteria, restore balance after antibiotics, helps with digestion, like breaking down lactose. Best sources: yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and high-quality supplements. Prebiotics, the food for workers. These are indigestible fibers that feed your good bacteria. They 1. Helps good bacteria multiply. 2. Produce short-chain fatty acids, which reduce inflammation. 3. Improve mineral absorption, like calcium and magnesium. Best sources: garlic, onions, bananas, asparagus, oats, and flax seeds. Key takeaway: probiotics equals adding new bacteria. Prebiotics equals feeding existing bacteria. But here's the big question. Which one is more important? Let's look at the science. Multiple studies show that probiotics and prebiotics are crucial, but in different ways. Study number 1. Probiotics alone may not stick. A 2021 study in Nature found that when people took probiotics without prebiotics, the new bacteria often didn't colonize well. Why? Because they had nothing to eat. Study number 2. Prebiotics reduce inflammation. Research from gut microbes showed that prebiotics increase butyrate, a compound that strengthens the gut lining, reduces leaky gut, lowers inflammation. Study number 3. Probiotics can backfire. Small intestinal bacteria overgrowth. SIBO warning. A study in clinical gastroenterology found that probiotics can worsen bloating and gas in people with SIBO, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. The verdict? If you have healthy gut, probiotics plus prebiotics work great together. If you have digestive issues, prebiotics first, then carefully introduce probiotics. Now, let's talk about when to take probiotics and when to avoid them. Probiotics aren't a one-size-fits-all solution. Here's when they help and when they hurt. Best times to take probiotics. After taking antibiotics, they wipe out all bacteria, good and bad. Probiotics help repopulate your gut. For diarrhea or IBS, inflammatory bowel syndrome, studies show certain strains, like Lactobacillus rhamnosus, reduce diarrhea. For immunity, 70% of your immune system is in your gut. Probiotics can help fight infections. When to avoid probiotics. If you have small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, it can worsen bloating. If you're immunocompromised, rarely, they can cause infections. If you're taking them without prebiotics, they won't survive long. Choosing the right probiotic. Look for strains like Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium. CFUs, colony-forming units. 10 to 50 billion is ideal. Survivability. Delayed release capsules survive stomach acid. But remember, probiotics are temporary. For long-term gut health, you need prebiotics. If probiotics are the workers, prebiotics are their paycheck. Here's why they're essential. 4 big benefits of prebiotics. Feed good bacteria. They help your bacteria thrive. Reduce inflammation by producing butyrate, which heals the gut. Improve nutrient absorption, especially calcium and magnesium. Help with weight loss. They regulate hunger hormones like ghrelin. Best prebiotic foods: garlic and onions, rich in inulin, a top prebiotic fiber. Asparagus boosts bifidobacteria. Apples, with skin, contains pectin, a gut-friendly fiber. Flax seeds, high in mucilage, which soothes the gut. Oats, full of beta-glucans, oats are great for digestion. How much do you need? Daily, 25 to 30 grams of fiber. Most people get only 15 grams. Start slow. Too much too fast can cause bloating. Bottom line, if you ignore prebiotics, you're missing 50% of the gut health equation. Now, let's put it all together. Here's your step-by-step gut repair plan. Step 1. Load up on prebiotics. Eat at least 3 prebiotic foods daily, e.g., garlic, onions, bananas. Consider a prebiotic supplement, like inulin or FOS, if needed. Step 2. Add probiotics wisely. If you're healthy, fermented foods, yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut. If you're recovering from antibiotics, a high-quality probiotic. Step 3. Avoid gut killers. Sugar feeds harmful bacteria. Processed foods damage the gut lining. Chronic stress messes with digestion. Sample gut healing meal plan. Breakfast: oatmeal with flax seeds, banana, and honey. Lunch: grilled chicken with garlic roasted asparagus. Snack: Greek yogurt with blueberries. Dinner: salmon with sautéed onions and quinoa. Do this for 4 weeks, and your gut will thank you. Conclusion: your gut health impacts everything, from your energy and mood to your skin and immunity. So don't just take probiotics. Feed your gut with prebiotics. Which one do you focus on more? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, smash that like button. It helps the algorithm. And subscribe for more science-backed health tips. For your information, I'm on a journey to reach 1,000 subscribers, and your support means everything to me. Therefore, if you found this video helpful and learned something, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's keep breaking down medical truths that help you stay one step ahead, one video at a time. Want a free gut health checklist? Download it in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.